In this video, I'll show you how to collect emails of referred clients in Mailchimp. Once you are on your Mailchimp account, the first step is to create a new field, which will be our referral. Now, in order for you to do that, head over to the navigation panel on the left-hand side, and at the bottom, simply click on the sixth option, which is audience. Now, once you are on the audience section, it will automatically show you the list of all of your contacts. From here, head over to the top bar. On the right hand side, click on the three dots for more actions. And at the bottom, click on audience fields and merge tags. Once you do that, it will automatically show you the list of all of your audience fields and merge tags. Now, in order for you to create a new field, head over to the top bar. On the right hand side, click on create a new field. From here, you will set this field name as a referral. And at the bottom, you will set the data type as a text. On the merge tag, if you do want to add one, we will just simply name this as a referral. And you can also set this as required, but whenever you have an audience or you encounter an audience that doesn't have a referral, then just simply leave required as blank since we will have this optional. And at the bottom in the right corner, click on save. And once you do that, as you can see, we now have a new merge tag, which is the referral. Now, whenever you have this referral merge tag or audience field, whenever you add it to within a form, it will automatically read it. So if we try to add this field by simply heading over to the left-hand side and above audience, click on forms. On the forms section, we will just simply choose a sign up form. On the right-hand side, click on edit. And once you are on the editor of your form, if we add an element, and to do that, simply click on the mobile view. On the left-hand side, head over to the top bar, click on add an element. Below add an element, we will choose user input. And on the bottom, we will choose text input. From here, just simply hold and drag, and let's add it below the email address. Now on this field, on the right-hand side, we will choose name. We will select the option, and we will choose the referral. Once you have that, it will not set as an error, and we can replace this text to a referral code. And once you're done, as you can see, we can now get the referral code if they were referred. Now, the last step is to set up a referral tag. This is optional, but I do suggest this in order for you to see the audiences that were referred by a customer. So on the left-hand side, we will just simply click on audience. And below audience, click on tags. And on the tag section, we will just create a new tag by simply heading over to the top bar. On the right-hand side, click on create new tag. And from here, we will just name this as a referral. And at the bottom, simply click on create. Now in here, we can set up an automation if that is something that you want to do, is that whenever a customer signs up as a referral, then it will automatically add this tag. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.